up, so I'll just get back from eating lunch and I'll grab a couple magazines like I usually always do, and I'll open the front page and want to watch for the Vegas Rocks magazine. So I open up the Vegas Rocks and voila. Alright, so check it out. I just got my hard drive back. Yeah. And come to also find out, my identification was in this box. Of all my stickers. It's right there in that blue bag. So we gonna clear that up and let's just keep it moving because the drama continues. What up? It's your boy. It's Tuesday, man. Today the Magic started, Magic Trade Show convention. I think I'm gonna go check that out tomorrow. Meanwhile, I'm just sitting at the crib. Eating me some chips and some salsa, and checking out one of my favorite shows again, watching Hulu. Cause I don't have to deal with too many commercials, you know what I'm saying, when you got Hulu Plus. You did. And I'm watching tomorrow, people. And I'll see y'all tomorrow, people. Alright, so check this shit out, y'all. Mad Magic changed so much. Project, Pool, Magic, Agenda, all these different shows going on simultaneously at one time, and they done got like everything separated. Like right now I'm on the women's side, the men's side is back over there. Pool is over here to my left, and the Agenda show is at the Venetian. This shit is weak. This is real weak right now. This is real weak, man. I don't even know, like, I don't even know why I'm here, but I'm gonna go over to the pool and see if I can link up with some people who I know, because this is some new shit to me right now.
Yo, bless up, Danger Powers here. I'm here with PXO 360 up in the house. Here at Magic Project. You know how we are doing, Bridget. Yeah, you don't know me, Bridget, I'm tough with it, Bridget. So take a time and look on it. See it soon so you get that chance. Respect on yourself.
The time with Magic, you know how we do it.
USDLA. Hey. This is that cowboy hotter than Phoenix, and let me tell you something about the young Phoenix. He is double, triple platinum, suckers.
Everyone, we're here at Magic 2014. We're showing our grassroots line, and if you want to get more information, check us out at grassrootscalifornia.com for the dopest hats in the game.
That right there is Charlie Tuna's hat, huh?
Yep, this one we did with Charlie Tuna of Jurassic 5. All the hats have a secret pocket inside. We did the collab with Charlie. This is actually based off of one of his graffiti pieces. And we got 2 hats coming out for him this 420.
Yeah, man, let's get it.
What up, y'all? Cash Flow. Magic Convention's in here. My boy Phoenix Orion about to go get sponsored, and yeah, no, how we do it. West Coast.
Magic 2014, man. What's up? What's going on, brother? How you feel about the show, man?
Nick the vendor here, chilling at the Magic. It's a little different than before. You know what I'm saying? Poised to be a little more music, a little more culture,
with more vibe, huh?
More vibe, but yeah, it's a little slow, man. It ain't what it used to be. That's for sure, man.
What about ASB? You gonna hit the ASB up?
Oh yeah, man. We're gonna go check that out, see what's up, man. You know what I'm saying?
That's what's up. I'm gonna see you there then.
Yeah, no bless.
My brother Vic.
Mega Genesis here in Magic, representing to the fullest Las Vegas from Diego to the Bay. Mega.
And with That shit Zoo, man. Big Bad 4-0, infamous. Neck Zoo like. Nigga, Young Jill, I'm in the building, nigga. I'm really feeling myself. Vodka's gone. I'm on one. Suck it easy.
You already know what it is. It's your boy, Mr. Crimson, voice of Sin City. Magic 2014, man. Vegas is in this motherfucking thing. We outside the Coke Boys booth, man. We turned up. We in this thing. We do it real big, you know what I'm saying? If you don't know, now you know, man. We in here, man. Live and direct, man. Big shout out to my boy Phoenix Orion, man. We doing shit major, man. 2014 is our year. Stand up one time with us, one time. Yeah, now.
Day 2, wrapping up Magic 2014. We're here at B Headwear booth. So we're new to the market. We're fully integrated Bluetooth. So you no longer have to have wires. You can answer your phone, listen to music. Makes life a little more seamlessly. You don't have to have big plastic coffins on your head all the time. You can check us out at bheadwear.com. Also Instagram, the Twitter, and the Book of Faces. We're all just at B Headwear.
What up? Last day of the Magic. Megan's giving us this look. She on her phone. She's working right now. She's talking to her fans. On these knuckleheads. Let's go, y'all.
What's going on, man? We at the Magic 2014 with your man Turf, America's Got Talent Season 2 winner. Just fucking with it, checking out some of this cool shit. Hope y'all having fun, man. This Turf, I'm out. Peace.
For Magic 2014.
What are you guys doing as far as I'm saying?
Boy PXO, man, it's the last day of the Magic. It's pretty good. Took me to the last day, found me a new company that I'm gonna be working for. I ain't gonna say no names yet, but y'all see me again here in August. Same place, same back channel. Alright, so what's good? It's good, man. It's your boy PX. Today's Friday. And long story short, look what I just got. Yeah, it's that MacBook Pro that y'all seen. Cop on the pit on shit up for like $250. Time to go in. What up, man? It's your boy PX. It's Saturday, so I've been over here, just got the computer yesterday. So I had to fill it up with programs where I had it last week. Took everything I could. Took the damn iMovie, the GarageBand, and take a small little program. You can put all the information and stuff like that up there. Goddamn. So it's all good. I'm putting all my music on there and graphics. My programs, just uploading the tractors on the pop, so graphics, man, and flyers, and that viral makeover, holla at your boy PXO, PXO GFX, yep. here. That mark by the mall.
Let's go. Lega.